Christian here, Pro3 Properties, full-time real estate investor. Here's just a quick video. I'm in the rush right now in between places. Crazy schedule today. Just a quick video of a legal accessory dwelling unit we completed in St. Catharines. This is Grantham Avenue. This is a duplex to triplex conversion. And the tenants are moving in like 5 minutes, so this is going to be quick and dirty. The fridge is on the way. Here you got a bunch of fire rated access panels all over the place. These are, I'm not even sure how many, I think they're 2 hours fire rated, something crazy like that. Dishwasher, sink, stove, everything's looking good. These flush mounts from Costco, these are great because you you don't have to go through the whole pot light fire rating exercise, which is a pain in the behind. Pantry, peninsula for the kitchen, self-closing cabinets. Then here you have open living and dining, open concept. Here's a cold cellar, which is right here. We put in some shelves, we painted everything white. There's cold air coming through. There's a light bulb, there's even an outlet in here, right there. Then here's the window. This is imported from Europe. You can open it this way. And you can open it this way. So this is the legal egress window. I'm going to close it because it's really cold. There you go. Hydro room. There's a lot of fire caulking going on here, so this has been fire rated to the max. And here's the panel, which is for the basement apartment only. The other 2 units have their panels inside their own units. Another window. Then here's the sump pump room. Okay. Then we get into the washroom. There's a few little knickknacks that still need to be done. Dual flush toilet. Nice and clean. Subway tile. Can't go wrong with that. Nice bathtub. Nice faucet. These smoke strobe CO detectors are absolutely insane. They're all interconnected in the whole property. Here's another access panel. Here's the bedroom. I know I'm rushing through this, guys, and I apologize, but it's one of those days. Bedroom with walk-in closet. So it took us quite a while to get this done. There were a lot of restrictions and there was a lot of red tape to go through, thanks to the city here, the local municipality, but we made it, we're done. Thanks for watching.